3D printing is a new way to build three-dimensional objects of almost any shape and any material. For defense, 3D printing is of great interest. It allows the customization of a small series and the production of on-site, on-demand spare parts. This is very important, especially for operations and maintenance. That's why EDA launched in 2014 a 3D printing deployable lab to demonstrate that these technologies can be used in operations. This is a concrete example on how to transfer research and technology into defense capabilities.